Picture this. Padre Pio says, the devil is like a raging dog on a chain with a rope. Outside the limit of the rope, the chain, he cannot bite anyone. Kasi hanggang doon lang yung limit niya. But, if you come close to him, you will get bitten. Ikaw mismo kasi, may limit yan. But if you cross the line, that's your responsibility. You get bitten. Mga kapatid, let's all be vigilant. And please remember to be humble. Huwag mong sabihin, no. Kayang-kaya ko yan. No, sir. No, ma. When it comes to temptations, number 1, it's better to be prayerful. Number 2, it's better to be a coward. Tumakbo ka na. And it's better to be humble, to say, Lord, I'd better be careful. Hindi ko kaya. And the Lord understands.